Facing the lack of IT human resources is a global pain in the neck, especially when you're working with SAP. With the Gen Z joining into the workplace, we need to think about the way to attract your young talents by not letting them work harder, but work smarter. But how? You will need a tool to help them get rid of tedious routine IT work so your staff can focus on the interesting, challenging tasks. BatchMan from HONICO can help you with that. BatchMan stands for Resilient Background Process Automation directly from within SAP. It runs in the ABAP stack, the core of SAP R3 and S/4HANA, which safely, flexibly, and with high performance speed controls SAP processes and non-SAP processes, let alone on-prem or in the hybrid cloud. With the help of BatchMan, you can significantly reduce costs and errors related to large workloads, high transfer volumes, and complex systems. BatchMan is a no-code workload automation tool, allowing you to define, monitor, and plan your batch processes without drawing IT resources. Our local support team devotes to help you with any questions. You are the focus of our work. Since our foundation in 1999, our products have been successfully used by more than 200 customers, and the development continues. You want to join the journey of process automation? Contact us now.